So this is my point F going in this direction, so this is my F. So I can join the top view, I mean the bottom part of the front view along this line. So I can just broaden this, and I can finish up the board part of this one. I know this line is, or I can join those points, point A and B, by using a straight line, A and B, then B and C, C and D, D and E, E and F, F and A. So this is the profile of the front view. If you're viewing this direction, I get that one. Similarly, I can add the part, the body part or the lower part of this side view. I know this one is supposed to be there. This line is supposed to be there. Similarly, this one is supposed to be there, and also the horizontal line of that supposed to be there. So I have the left-hand side or right-hand side view in this case. I can add the auxiliary view. Now we're saying to add the auxiliary view, you have to draw a perpendicular line. Perpendicular line to this surface, going in this direction. Some of those construction lines. So I can choose perpendicular line. In this case, it will be easier to introduce maybe a parallel line somewhere along that line. So this is my parallel line, maybe. And now I can draw perpendicular to this line, which is going to be to that point. So at this point, this is my perpendicular line. Going in this direction, to this point also perpendicular line, going in this direction, to these points. Center one is not useful in this case, so I can just parallel to this line again. I just use this one for parallelity, and then to draw this perpendicular line. And this is point A. So I have those perpendicular lines. Now I can add a parallel line to this one at selected positions. And for this one, I use the normal ruler, or I can just measure. I see somewhere here, and then I can measure a 20 degrees line. So from this point again, and 20 degrees line. So this is my 20 degree line passing that point, and I have to draw a parallel line. So this one passing these 2 points, and I'm going to draw a center line. So these are center lines. So I have that one, perpendicular line. Now to locate these points, point A and point D, they are going to be the same. So this is going to be my point A. So this is my point A along this line, and this is going to be my point D. To locate the point B, I have to measure from the top view, from the line AD, that is the center line, the same as this one. I have to measure perpendicular distance to this point, that distance, and then I can transfer to my point B here. Here I can measure from here to here, and then transfer it to the auxiliary view on the front. I mean on on the auxiliary view. So just not to make a mistake, I'm going to introduce vertical lines here in order to know where I'm supposed to measure. So this way, I'm going to use the compass to measure those distances. So from here to here, or you can use your divider in that case. My divider is not accessible for the time being, so I'm going to use this. So here at this line, at this perpendicular point, you put a mark here. So this is my point B, and this is my point F, somewhere here. And you have to measure the same for the point C and E, but fortunately for this situation, they are of the same size, so I just transfer them. So this one, my point C, and this one is my point E. As you can see now, I have, this is my C, this is my B, this is my F on the auxiliary view, and this is my E in auxiliary view. Conventionally, it's you're supposed to put dashes on the auxiliary view because somehow it illustrated. So this is going to be with dash. So this is A dash, D dash. Now what follows is just, again, you are using your ruler to connect the point A, B dash, C, B, C dash, C, D dash, E, D dash, and you complete your auxiliary view. So this way, point A, B dash, and then point C and B dash, and I'm going to connect the point D and C. I'm going to connect the point C, A and F using straight line, and point F and E, and P, E and D. Point E and E. Sorry. So this is how you can get your auxiliary view. So this is my side view, this is my auxiliary view, and this is my front view, of course, and this is the top view. Thank you very much. In the next part of the video, I'm going to show you how we can develop this prism.